Welcome everyone to the GRC and IT Masterclass. Are you thinking about transitioning to IT but don't know where to start? The tech industry is booming and I'm here to help you take the leap. Maybe you are overwhelmed by all the options or you are unsure if it's the right fit for you. I totally get it. I was once in those shoes. In this masterclass, I will show you how IT is an incredible career choice and how my training program can guide you to success. Before you start wondering who is this guy and why should I be listening to him, here is a brief introduction. My name is Mohammed Adeladun and I'm an IT professional with over 8 years experience in IT audit, cybersecurity, risk management, and IT governance. In the last 3 years, I have helped over 32 people transition into a high-paying and rewarding IT career of their choice, especially people with zero prior tech experience. Today, I'm here to show you how you can do the same and kickstart your journey in one of the most exciting and in-demand fields. The reason I started this training over 3 years ago is because many people trying to break into IT struggle to find the right guidance and support. So I created this program to make the transition seamless and achievable. So let's start with why you should transition to IT. Tech roles are in demand across the globe, and that demand is only growing. According to the US Bureau of Labor and Statistics, employment in IT-related field is projected to grow 15% by 2031. More faster than the average of all other occupations put together. Over 682 new IT jobs are expected to be created in the next decade. Another reason is my favorite part, competitive salaries. The median annual salary for IT jobs is around $98,000 a year, more than double the median salary for all other occupations combined. Certain specialized roles even earn upward $120K annually. Now let's look at flexibility. Many IT roles offer remote work options, giving you the freedom in how and where you work. Another huge benefit is having a future-proof career. Let's face it, technology isn't going anywhere, so it's one of the most secure fields to be in. Now the question is, when is the right time to transition to IT? Considering the recent AI boom, a lot of jobs are now in danger, if not already gone. So if you're thinking about the best time to transition, the time is now. There are 2 routes available if you're thinking about transitioning: technical and non-technical. Careers in technical include software developers, network engineers, cloud engineers, DevOps engineers, while in non-technical we have IT compliance analysts, IT auditors, GRC analysts, technical writer, IT project managers, etc. So why choose one over the other? The non-technical route is easier to transition into as it doesn't involve learning to code, configuring complex IT systems, etc. While the technical route requires you to know how to code, how to be able to configure systems, and how to troubleshoot computers. If you're the type that does not know how to code or interested in learning how to code, or you don't want to troubleshoot or configure complex IT systems, then the technical side shouldn't be your path. The non-technical part, however, is easier to transition into as it doesn't require you to know how to code, nor configuring of IT systems, etc. Whichever route you decide to take. After making that decision, you want to make sure you prepare yourself adequately for your new career adventure. You can go the route of self-learning, that is Coursera, YouTube, Udemy, etc. The pro of taking this route is that it's very inexpensive. The cons, however, is that you might get loaded with way too much information that can lead to burnout. Another problem with self-learning is that you can get stuck in the circle of learning. Also, lack of projects to show off to hiring managers. The next part I will be discussing is enrolling in university or a college. Some of the pros of this is that a degree is generally considered a formal education, which is a good thing as it covers a broad range of IT concepts. Universities also offer a well-organized curriculum with set timelines, which can benefit students who thrive in structured environments. The cons: university or college degrees can be very expensive, often requiring significant financial investments or even student loans. Then look at the time commitment as well. Earning a degree typically takes around 3 to 4 years, which delays your entry into the workforce. Now let's talk about the outdated curriculum. In rapidly evolving fields like IT, some university programs may not keep up with the latest technologies and practices. After going through all the trouble of paying astronomical tuition fee, waiting 3 to 4 years, only for you to realize many IT roles no longer require a degree. The job market now leans towards people with hands-on experience and certifications. Approximately 26% of IT workers in the United States do not hold a bachelor's degree or higher. Additionally, a survey of HR leaders found that 85% support eliminating or relaxing degree requirements in hiring. Another route you can take in your quest to break into IT is taking a boot camp or training for a qualified professional who will also be willing to mentor you throughout your journey. I can't stress enough how important the mentorship after training is. Because no matter how good the training is, lack of direction while navigating the interview process and job search can undo everything you put into your journey so far. This is where we have to talk about the exclusive IT Audit and GRC training. This is a live interactive training that covers 4 key non-technical IT roles. That is IT Audit, IT Compliance Management, IT Risk Management, and Third-Party Risk Management. There are no prerequisites, as this training is specifically designed for absolute beginners. Upon completion of the training, you will have all the knowledge required for you to excel on the job. And there's more. The training package includes resume optimization, interview preparations, and unlimited on-the-job support. That's absolutely everything you need to break into your career choice in IT. You have no idea how many people I've spoken to who completed an IT training but they gave up because they have no support or guidance after the training. exclusive training is the total opposite, because I know the importance of that post-training mentorship and guidance, and that is why it is the most important component of my training. So, if breaking into IT is your goal this year, please use the information on the screen to find out more about the next class or use the button below to enroll. I hope this session has given you the clarity and confidence to see that transitioning into IT isn't just a possibility, it's a reality you can achieve with the right guidance. Now the next step is yours to take. Don't let doubt or delay hold you back. With my training program, you will have the roadmap, tools, and support you need to succeed. Whether you're looking to land your first IT job or take your career to the next level, I'm here to help you every step of the way. So, if you're ready to invest in yourself and your future, click the link below to sign up for the next class. The IT world is waiting for you. Let's make it happen together. Thank you once again. I have a wonderful rest of the day.